The Minister for State and Works, Musa Min.Ecweru, has urged motorists and border riders to abide by the law and let the police and judiciary do their work. While officiating the launch of the National Road Safety Awareness and Strategy Week, Ecweru pointed out criticized colleagues in the civil servants who drive recklessly, claiming to be high-profile people.
Can you imagine these educated people? They keep crashing in an obvious place, then they start blaming spirits. They are blaming spirits in the other place. What is the name of that place? When you are going to massacre after Mpigi. I found, even in my office, I have received, what is my reverend here? Reverend, I have received communication asking me to facilitate you, the church and all those who can expel spirit, to go there to expel spirits on Massacre Road. I can tell you today, Reverend, I'm not doubting your capacity to expel spirits, but they will not go away there if we don't just rest.
Ecweru observed that the number one cause of road carnage is failure by motorists and other road users to observe stated guidelines. He challenged the pedestrians to be vigilant while using roads.
What has really gone in the heads of some of our people? That you are carrying 60 people and you don't know their backgrounds. Some could be engineers, some could be doctors, some could be all these people. You are carrying 60, but you are dancing. You are dancing while carrying them. And you say you are normal. Please, next time you arrest such a person, Director Traffic, the first destination should be Butabika.
Alain Kajina, the Executive Director, Uganda National Roads Authority, UNRA, urged all stakeholders to play a role in implementing laws and infrastructure development to avoid road carnage.
I think it is every person's responsibility to educate themselves on how to use a road. Just because a road has been constructed and it looks very nice and you can move faster to the market than you used to, does not mean that you do not respect the speed limits.
A total of 1,275 road crashes resulting in death were registered in 2023. 513 passengers and 4,442 border riders sustained injuries according to police.
We have been able to identify a huge problem. And what is this problem? One, it's motorcycle risk. And two, the pedestrian vulnerability. If you combine those two risks, you will see that they constitute 80% of the death on our roads. Enforcement, sustainability of awareness, sustainability of all our intervention is critical in reducing road crashes.
Activists and border riders expressed their views on the rising accidents on the road.
Erinnya yenze Maweje Frank, anze nkulembera boda mu Kampala. Ekituufu kiri nti njagala okutegeeza eggwanga nti byonna bye mulaba mu mulimu gwa boda ebitundu kumpi 80 ku buli 100 nteekateeka yaffe bannannyini mulimu. Gavumenti yetakoze kimala kutuyambako okuteekateeka mulimu gwaffe. Kikye tusaba bakole buli lwe bagezaako okujja okututeekateeka bajja nga bali divided. KCC ng'eyogera kyayo, poliisi ng'eyogera kyayo, Ministry of Works ng'eyogera kyayo. Ffe kye twagala olunaku lumu lukye ebitongole bya gavumenti ebikwatibwako omulimu gwaffe ogwa boda n'ebyentambula byonna bituleko ku mmeeza emu byogera olulimi lumu. Omulimu gwa boda tegusobola kulemererwa kutereezebwa mu kibuga ne mu ggwanga lyonna.
Nagujja Serena, big television.